What's up, Royal Gang? Welcome back to the palace.
So I don't understand what you saying, just suck my soul. Ay. I don't understand what you saying, just suck my soul. I don't understand what you saying, just suck my soul.
Welcome back to the palace. It's your girl, Big Reek, aka Costa Rica, the East Side Princess. You already know what it is. And today's video is going to be another helpful video. You know, the girls need help. We need help. We need to make sure we getting this stuff right. So every time I learn something, I'm gonna teach it to y'all. We locked in like that. We here. So I found out the trick to going viral. I'm not gonna lie. Before you post your video, it's literally 4 or 5 things you need to make sure that you have done, okay? And this is literally going to be essential to helping your video grow, helping YouTube push you more in the algorithm, helping you being recommended. Just like I just showed y'all how to get your videos recommended on YouTube. This is why YouTube is going to recommend your videos and going to want to recommend it and going to know when to recommend your videos. When YouTube is recommending your video, it pushes it further. It gets to more and more people because YouTube is putting it on their timeline, basically. Putting you out there to let them know, hey, we think you might enjoy this person. We think you might enjoy this information. It's gonna be very crucial that you guys start doing this before you upload your videos to YouTube, okay? Before. We ain't gonna do too much talking, you know, we like to get straight to the point. Before you go ahead and upload your video, go ahead and do these few tips and then let me know in the comments how it works for you. Because, child, this is the hack that we ain't know nothing about. Why they don't be telling us nothing? But yeah, check this out. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, I'm gonna show you that it's 2 different ways to do it. So you can go on the Studio app and do it, but it's not going to show you exactly what I'm showing you right now. So I'd rather you open up the YouTube Studio app on the internet. So go to the YouTube Studio. You can type up YouTube Studio Desktop on Google and it'll take you to it. Or if you have an iPhone, you can just open up the desktop version. So go to Upload Videos and then you're gonna select your video. I'm just gonna show you this now. So once you select the video, you see that it says image 1509 or whatever your video name is under. It's going to show that instead. So this is what the trick is going to be. Leave off of here, go to your gallery, open up the video, and then you're going to go to share. You're going to go down, save the video, and this is where you're going to rename your file. If you have an Android, you can rename it easier than this, but you're going to go here and rename the file. So you're going to rename it to something that's the title of your video or what the video was about. So I'm just going to make up something right now because I'm not uploading an actual video. But we're just going to put hack for uploading and going viral. Let's say that. So we're going to put that in as the title of the video. And then you're going to save that. So you're going to open up the thumbnail. I just clicked on any thumbnail that I have because I'm just showing you guys, but you will click on the thumbnail that goes with the video. And so you're going to go do the exact same thing. Go to the files, change the name of the thumbnail to whatever the video was about or the title. So right here, I just put influencer tips because that's what that video is about. But it will be the same thing as your other video. So you basically just put hacks to uploading and going viral. It'll be the exact same thing. So when you go to upload on the desktop version of Studio, okay, upload the video, select it from your library. Select it from your files, my bad. Select it from your files under the name you just saved it under. Okay. So once you click on that, you're going to see now it automatically have the title for the file name. So now YouTube is going to be able to automatically recognize what the video was about. And that's another part of SEO. That's definitely helping the search engine find your video, letting YouTube know where to recommend you and what timelines to put you on. And you're going to select the same thing for your thumbnail as well. So now you're going to scroll down and add your video to a playlist. That also helps YouTube know what kind of video it is, and it also will help you build an audience for those specific videos. And people will watch your playlist more to build more watch hours. So if you don't have a playlist, you can create them right there. You want to make sure it's not selected for kids so that you'll be able to get comments. So you're not going to click that. You're going to click no. And then you're going to go down, make sure it's not altered content. Okay, so right here, you're going to add your tags. The tags are going to be whatever the video is about, whatever it's pertaining to, and, you know, just some catchy keywords that'll bring people's attention and engagement. I go to ChatGPT and do this. So you're going to select your category right here. So you can either make it whatever your video is about. Right now, I have it under entertainment, but if it's teaching someone something, you're probably better off having it under how to. So you want to change that to how to, so that it's like a learning category, you know. And then you're just going to go to the side and just click the next box until you're done, until it's start uploading. So I go to ChatGPT, and then I just ask Chat, like, hey, can you give me some SEO hashtags for my new YouTube video? It's about X, Y, and Z. I want to bring in engagement. I want to bring in subscribers, and I want people to be able to find my video. So I will tell it whatever I want it to say, you know. And then I just press go, and it'll give me all the tags that it thinks relates to that video. You can ask ChatGPT to go in deeper into detail, but, you know, that was just some simple ones. And then I will go back into the Studio app now and go to the tags. And this is just a video I'm showing for reference, so I already have tags there. But you would just paste the tags here, and then you would save it. So I'm not going to save it because that's already done, but yeah. If you guys found that helpful and you're going to go ahead and start uploading your videos the right way now, let me know in the comments. You know, that was helpful. Thank you for, you know, let me know. Let me know if that information was valuable to you. If that's the case, go ahead and give me a subscribe. Leave a like, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Because I'm so lit and I'm so helpful. Nah, but y'all already know what it is. I didn't know anything about these things. Like, that's so crazy that all this time I didn't know nothing about it. Let me know if you guys want to know how to add in screens to your video, because I'll make a video walking you guys through that as well, and how to create, you know, your thumbnails, how to make your intros. I'm going to get into showing you guys how to get to it, you know, and I'm going to start dropping at least 1 or 2 of these videos a week. So definitely stay tuned. I'm back on that, and I'm taking my YouTube serious again now, and I'm loving it. Now I'm loving the energy from you guys. So thank you so much for subscribing and tuning in, and until next time, Big Reek out.